Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this 4x4 ghost cube. 4x4 ghost cube is ghosted version of 4x4. So this is regular 4x4 and you can see the size of this ghost cube 4x4 because this is 3D printed ghost cube from I use the file from Thingiverse. I'll put this link into description if you want to anyway want to make it 4x4 ghost cube. So like these are the 4 layers. So this is first layer, second layer, third layer and fourth layer, and these are the 4 center pieces like this. 1 2 3 4. These are the edge pieces like this. So edge pieces and edge pieces, and these are corner pieces. This is corner piece, this is corner piece, this is also corner piece, and this is corner piece, and these are edge pieces, and these are these are center pieces and these are edge pieces. And similarly on top, these are center pieces, edge pieces and corner pieces. So and the perspective is very important in this, because unlike 3x3 we have couple of more pieces. In 3x3 we have only one center. Here there are 4 centers, so it will be more challenging. So first let us scramble it. Okay, so now it is scrambled properly, and it looks scary. It looks very scary. First we need to fix the centers. So we need to find centers of top layer. So first we'll try to fix the center pieces, if any of the center pieces if we can match. So first we need to align the layers so that we can move it. So we have to take, it is trial and error, so there is no fixed algorithm or formula to fix the center. First we need to find whether the center is of top or bottom corner, bottom center or not, bottom layer or not. So we need to first check all options from all angle. So this is not fixing. Okay, now from this angle we'll try. So this is just a trial and error. Okay, so do we have a chance to fix this? I think we have these 2 pieces. Now we can fix 2 more pieces over here. Let's see if we can get the pieces, right pieces basically. I think this is the right one, if I'm not wrong, because it fits well with the center. You can see it. So we need to find one more centerpiece for this. So let us see if we can place it. No, this is not the right one. Okay, let's see if we can. No, this is also. So it will be, what we can do is, we have this two centerpiece, so we'll take this out of the way, this centerpiece, and we'll try to fix it from this angle, because we have this two centerpiece we should not disturb. But by the way, I think this will fix it. So this centerpiece will fix it. So what we'll do is, we have this centerpiece, so now I have to just place it. Okay, and I have to take this out of the way first. So what I'll do is, I'll bring this piece over here in this plane, and I'll fix it with this center. So no, we'll try to place it from here. Okay, so this is placed, and now we will bring this back. Boom. So our first center is placed. So since we have placed the, fixed the first center, our next step is to fix the top center. So this will be bottom, then this will be top. So we need to fix the top center. So we need to find the pieces, how to fix it. So I think this piece could be off top center, and we need to ensure that our center, bottom center, will not get disturbed by placing the pieces. So we'll bring this up like this, take this out of the way, and bring it back. So this is placed, and this is also into on top position. Now we'll try, these are the pieces, we'll try if we can fix with this center. So from this angle, if we can place any of this center piece, like this piece can be, no, then we'll try to place this piece. Let's see if we can place it. So this piece, yes, you can see this is fixing properly. So we'll take this out of the way because these two pieces are out. So we'll place it out of the way like this, and we'll bring this back. Okay, so we have now two pieces of top center. We have to fix two more pieces, so we need to find another pieces. Let's see if we can get from this center only. Okay, let's see if we can get it from this center. Okay, one piece is already there, so we know that this is the piece for center, and now we need one more piece which will be more of like this, which will fix here. So we'll bring it down, and now we need to find a piece which will fix with this. So this is our bottom center, and now we need to find a small piece which will fix with this. So we'll try with middle layer only, so that if we can get any, if we are lucky, we'll get the center piece from bottom layer only, from middle layer only. So let's see if we can. No, here it is. I don't think it is there. This is one piece which may fix, but I think from this center we may get the piece. So no. So we'll try this center. So this is trial and error only. So and we need to make it off center, so sometimes it doesn't move properly the way it should. So let's see if we can place this, and if we can fix it with this. No. Okay, let's see if there is any luck from this center. Yes, so this is it. Now we have two center pieces, and what we can do is we can simply bring this in the same line. We'll bring it up, take it out of the way, and bring it down, so that our bottom center will not get disturbed. So up, out of the way, and down. Okay, so our top center and bottom center, see, these both the centers are now fixed. This is fixed, this is fixed. Now we have to fix the other centers. Okay, so now next step is to fix the middle layer centers, but unlike this 4x4, once we have solved this top center and bottom center, and then we solve the middle layer centers, middle centers, but in this case this is not possible because it is displaced like this. So we won't be able to fix the centers like this. We have to fix two pieces of each center. So this will be different, this will be different, this will be different, this will be different. So we won't be able to fix all four centers together. So we have to keep it in mind. So we have to fix only two pieces of the same center, and then we'll have to take it forward. Okay, so this is our top, this is our bottom, and now we have to fix the middle layer. So we need to find an opportunity wherein two pieces are being paired. So let's see, this two pieces are, I think, no, it is not. So it was looking like, but it was not. This is, I think, let's see if we can, no. So this is very tricky, we have to be careful. We need one more piece of, so this can be fixed with okay. So now we can see this is perfectly placed. So this is one pair, and what we'll do is we'll take it into vertical this thing, so that whenever we move this layer, this will not get disturbed. So similarly we need to find another pair like this. So no, okay. So what we'll do is we'll move this pieces into this way, and then we'll try. So yes, see, this is fixed. Take this into vertical. Okay, so we have one pair, we have one more pair over here. So we have two pairs which are in place. I think this is also paired, so we have three pairs. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll bring the paired one into the same center, though they are different, but this is two set of pairs. So we have 1, 2 and 3. We will, if we'll get one more, we'll place it over here next to this. So we will have two center which are solved. So now we have to find out the opportunity where we can place the center pieces and pair them. Okay, do we have an opportunity to fix any of the pair? Let's see. From this angle, okay, so this is paired. I think this is paired. So what we'll do is we'll bring it on left, and now we'll bring it down. So now you can see we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 pairs, and we have kept it in one center, I mean in the same center only. So this is one center solved with two pairs, this one center is solved with two pairs, and now we are left with 1 and 2, this center and this center. So it will be easier for us to find a piece. So let's see if we can place any of the center pieces now. From now we'll see whether this is no. Okay, what we'll do is we'll bring this up like this and replace it with this centers so that we can replace these pieces. Okay, so I think we have paired one more of this center pieces, and now we are left with 1, 2, 3, I mean total 6 pieces we are left with. So let's see how can we fix them. Okay, so we need to be careful with this layer, because first we need to place this to either of this piece. If we can fix it with any of this, no. So we'll rotate this and see if we can place it with any of the pieces. No. No. Again we'll rotate it like this and we'll see whether if we can. Yes, no, it is not fixing properly. Okay, let's see if we can rotate it and place it like this. No, this is not, and this is also not. Okay, let's see how can we fix this 2 and this 4 pieces. Okay, one thing I noticed, this is not paired properly because this doesn't flush well. So we need to take this out, because I thought it is paired but it is not, because it doesn't flush properly. So what we'll do is, this is the paired one, so we'll bring this out and we'll replace it with this paired. So we'll take this out like this and we'll replace it with the paired one, so that we will have the opportunity to fix rest of the pieces. Okay, so now we have 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. So let's see if we can pair any of the pieces with this. Okay, is it? I think it is. It looks like it is fixed, but no, it doesn't. So let's bring it back. Now we have to find another option. So Okay, let's move this from this angle if we can try to fix it. No. So this is trial and error. We need to see which one fits well with the other pair, I mean other piece. Okay, let's see from this angle. I think this should fix, or okay, so this is fixed properly. Now we'll take this out of the way and bring it up. Okay, great. So now we can see almost we have fixed. This is fixed, this is fixed, this is fixed, this too we need to fix. Okay, so wow, so now we have to fix only two pieces. Okay, so now we are left with two corners which we need to swap, two center which we need to swap. So what we'll do is we'll use this is our top and bottom, so we'll keep it left and right, and we'll use one algorithm which will swap these two pieces, and all our center pair will be done. So keep it on right hand side and we'll use this algorithm. So it is 2R U 2R UI again 2R then again UI and D, then 2R UI 2R U. Two R and DI. So you can see these two pieces are swapped and it is placed properly. All our pieces are properly placed. This sticker is okay. So now we can see all our center pairs are done. Okay, so now next our step is to pair the edges.